every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's you lost. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Till until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact.
Good morning Bohol yun. So day 2 tayo mga dre yun. So ito na yung sasakyan namin, susundo na kami. So next activities natin is dolphin watching at turtle watching. So tara, samahan nyo ako mga dre.
The Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding the light.
Morning sa gwapong tour guide natin at driver yan.
Several bad puns later.
So yun mga dre, nandito namin sa destination namin. So pero makikita pa namin yung dolphin? Oo, makikita pa naman sa dolphin viewing mga dre. Shoutout pa rin sa gwapong driver natin mga dre yun. So tara na, simulan na natin to mga dre. So ito na mga dre, nandito kami sa seaside mga dre.
To see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month cause they want presents.
So yung mga dre yun, so sasakay na kami ng bangka mga dre. So tara mga dre, samahan nyo kami mag-island hopping, yeah!
Under my tree, I think that my Christmas has died. This is not
Hindi pa nakakadala ang alon ngayon.
a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This
Nakabuhay pala. Shoutout sa mga bangkero natin mga dre.
a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought
So dating pwesto mga dre yun. So sa harap na naman tayo mga dre.
presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a
So yun mga dre yun. So nandito kami sa spot na kung saan makikita raw yung dolphin mga dre yun. So anytime daw pwede magpakita mga dre. So kaya i-ready na natin yung camera natin mga dre. So shoutout pa rin sa mga kasama natin mga dre. Yo, what's up?
but 1 subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh,
So yun, minakita na raw silang isang dolphin doon yun. So napakabilis lang magpakita mga dre.
this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas.
Yun, naririnig ko na yung mga ano nila eh. Yung huni nila, yung siyap nila. Siyap. Sisiw ba? Siyap daw. Naririnig ko na yung mga huni nila mga dre. So sana is makapagpakita kahit isang beses lang sa magandang footage mga dre.
Wish away the month cause they want presents inside. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got cold that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
So hanggang ngayon wala pa tayong nakikita ang dolphin mga dre. Napakahirap daw talagang magpakita, talagang tsambahan lang daw yung pagpapakita ng dolphin mga dre. So hindi pa rin tayo susuko mga dre. So maghintay pa rin tayo. Patient lang mga dre, patient.
Presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember.
Oh, ayun, Padre, ayun, oh. Ayun. Nasa dulo, oh, ayun, ayun, oh. Well, mga Dre, nagpakita sa dulo mga Dre, kaya lang ang layo natin eh. Swerte nung ano, yung isang bangka na yun. Sayang ang layo, swerte nung isang bangka mga Dre. Ang lapit nila. So, totoo mo, Dolphin talaga yun, nakita ko sa ano. Ewan kong kita sa video mga Dre.
Christmas song, the Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for
Mon, trace mo, saan lilita Mon? Sigurado. Ah, maluwag ano. Ay, putang na. Ayan na, na-trace na. Ito, nag-aabang na tayo dito. So, dito, sabi ni ano, Professor Mon. Dating mo kami, ayan. Dito raw, nalilitaw, sabi ni... Ayun.
So this is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want
Swerte naman nila, ayun oh. Ang swerte talaga nila, tayo hindi natin matapatan. So, pakita na naman doon sa malayo na yun.
presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with
Naorasan mo ba, Mon? Naorasan mo ba? Hindi, ano eh. Accurate yung pag ano nila eh, paglutang nila eh. Hindi, yung ano, yung oras ng ano, yung minuto ng paglutang nila, accurate. Oo. Dami ano. Hindi nga eh. Oh, Google search mo lang ako.
So this is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas. So mad, I've been bad. Got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy.
Hello guys, welcome to my Tito's channel. If you are new here, smash the like button and subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video from my Tito. We also have a Facebook page named Dre TV. The link is Dre TV X Looney Run. That's all for today's video. Stay safe everyone. Bye!